it's bad. Don't care if the walls are caving in right now. I need you to kill off my lonely nights. Otherwise I'll just be dead inside. I can't keep pretending you don't exist. Hate the lies, you know I can't resist, yeah. Baby, I don't mind you calling. I'm still awake in my bed. Say the things you shouldn't be saying. I don't want you to act like you still have that halo. Halo, got the halo. Like you still have that halo. Halo, you should let it go.
Hey guys, I am hungry, y'all. Everybody done left me. They gone doing their own thing, y'all. So I'm gonna go get me something to eat. I am so hungry. So I'm about to go. I got a taste for some fish tacos or some Red Lobster or something like that. And I just showed you guys the outfit of the day. And I'm hungry, so I'm about to go grab me a bite to eat. And I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. So let's go. These are the shades of today, for today. Oh, oops. Yep, so these are the shades for today. Real casual, feeling cute or whatever.
I know you can tell. I know you can feel. I know you can tell. Inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation.
Congratulations! I have chosen you to be the winner of my Flawless March giveaway. I love your drive, your hard work, and the motivation you give myself and I'm sure others. Inside your customized box, you will see different products from Blue Expressions. Enjoy them all and don't forget to let me know your favorite product. Sincerely, Marsha B. In your box, you have our lavender massage oil for the body, our new not yet brought to the site flawless lip gloss, our mink pineapple muffin lashes, our lash shampoo, and our peppermint lemon body scrub, along with the custom t-shirt. Remember, I love you, remember to love yourself, and always remember to encourage someone else. Mrs. Lovely TV.